Hey, what's up you guys, this is Mr. Sang, and I am here doing some sleeping dogs, as I promised. I'm gonna press that start button right now, and yeah, let's do this. Oh, this is my first time, thank you very much. Okay. Subtitles, yeah, Cantonese, I wanna not be able to see it. Music, we'll bring it down a little. Dialogue to the max. And let's do this. No, we're good. We are good. So I have the entire, as of right now, the 2 DLCs. But I'm gonna do the main story right now. Just for everyone. Oh, sorry. Let's start the game. Starting a new game will overlay your Sleeping Dogs main story autosave. Yeah, I don't even have it. Didn't I see like I just started? So let's do this. So I'm planning to do an Asian week, Asian month, and of course I'm starting with the Sleeping Dogs because it came out for the PS3. Holy shit.
收到啦。咩啊？好多錢？
See, this is why I got English. I know what he's saying.
清楚。OK， 各單位準備。
I understood him. He said okay.
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
Wait, Shen.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。
I totally got this, you guys.
喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，前方右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢有
Oh
唔想你
shit.
啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
That's not supposed to happen.
太遠啦，
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Oh shit.
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走甩啦！截住佢！
God damn.
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺我面前，我亂嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Great. Move it, let me. I got this. Oh, I ran into a box.
You see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck!
Oh,
Hurry up! Oh shit!
get out of my way, buddy.
Stay with me!
Woo! God damn, come on. Come on, Red. I think that's his name. Shit, I don't even remember. Go away. Oh, that's a waste of fish. I'm sorry. Asian market. Oh! I literally didn't mean to do that, but, that's how you do it, right? Woo! Oh shit. Oh, okay. I'm out. Peace. I'm out. Oh, there were so many police.
警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。
Well, I got arrested, of course. I just started the game, I'm arrested. That's awesome.
而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低。
I mean, man, I don't understand you.
證供
Thank you, subtitles. Win, son. Come on.
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？5點咁樣出嚟行啦
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you.
I mean,
You know,
come on,
15
man.
years to do that. You know, we're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. But good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So
Hey,
what they
you know,
get
come on.
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun on Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who
Poke
got
guy.
Winston.
Oh my god. I'm gonna use that everywhere now.
Tight back then, but now...
You guys. I'm
Hey,
excited.
wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, we don't talk about that
Yeah, it
shit.
was a long
Man, come
time
on, man.
ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma.
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him,
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
Hell yeah. I need help. Need that money. Shit happens, man. Man, I'm really excited. I love this game. Played it on the PC, but my fax was bugging up. And my computer was
Seems that the
overheating.
evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
you might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel
Wait,
suggests
man.
that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Ye is the most powerful
Look,
gang.
Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out.
Well,
don't have much to
I'm
go
different,
on.
boy.
That's why
Come
you're
on.
here.
I've lived
I'm
here.
hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I love
I
Teal.
understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch.
Fuck Raymond.
Oh, and Wei,
Such an annoyance.
good luck out there.
Yeah, yeah. I do your dirty work.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Shut up, Raymond. Raymond. Red. Shit stain. God damn. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna say this right now. I love this game. As I was talking before, I had this on the PC.
Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something.
God, yeah, yes.
Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
You know how it is, baby. Hey.
Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's.
Oh, what the fuck?
In.
Oh, shit.
They're both
Oh.
red poles. Shouldn't they be on the same side?
Oh, oh, I didn't know I could do that. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, he waited for me. Hey, you better wait for my ass.
Winston's, let me do the introductions.
I
Really
got you.
distrustful of new
Yeah, I
faces
got you.
right
Hey, baby.
It's wild the paranoia.
Hey,
Son on ye
what's
had a
up?
rat.
It's a nice
Didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real
bitch.
slow and painful.
What the? Get out of my way. They ain't doing it. Hey, shut up, you bitch. You looking at me too? What the? No, you did not. What? Fuck off, man. You lucky I can't punch your ass right now. Sorry, let's go. Some jackass talking shit to me. I don't think so. Come on. I'll play that game around here.
Well, don't get your hopes up.
Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other,
Oh,
they'll
hey,
love me.
Hey,
契
oh.
弟，我今就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就贏，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢
Is
啊
she the one screaming? I have no
like
clue.
that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Okay, baby. Oh, you. Get out of here. Beat you up! Oh yeah, this is how we do it. Bam! Bam! I'm remembering the buttons. Oh, shit. You wanna grab me? Bam! Get down, boy. Hit you in your nuts.
You
Kidding me? Yeah, alright. Come the fuck on.
Let's go.
仆街死撚緊啊！睇你點走？
Bam! Bam!
腳軟咧！邊會走啊？放開我啊！你老幾啊？鬼！
Get out of my way. Bam!
打到你撚咗一街！
God damn, I keep doing this weird counter thing. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm just going everywhere. You wanna keep pushing me? Get the fuck out of here. You. Get taken. Bam.
I'm still here.
Okay. Come here, asshole.
Come and
Fuck
get me.
you. Take it. Oh! Oh!
What they do to you in
Oh.
America, man?
Yo, that's how we fight in America. You use shit.
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I go hardcore in their
Bunch of
asses.
fucking assholes. So everything's cool? Well, you're
Damn,
welcome
you see?
anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
What's up, girl? I'll see you later,
Here we are.
baby.
Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Oh, better make sure something stays on. Oh! That was awkward. I'm sorry.
Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No
Ooh, that's
outsider.
Not an outsider. He's from Old Prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's
I'm sorry
old
about that, you
school,
guys.
know? I grew up with the guy.
Whole prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 ？Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
I don't like you,
Wait,
cocky
a
little
minute.
fucker.
等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Oh,
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh?
I'm a lot tougher than I look. Come on, man.
That's just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy. You know that
Convoy.
problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie. Hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
Hey, I'm a good guy, man. Good, helpful guy, right here.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
Let's go.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about.
You
Get out of my face. Oh,
You think you can fight?
come on, buddy.
How about that?
Oh my gosh.
I bet you.
Stop hitting me like stupidly.
You gonna back down?
Shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real.
No.
Come on, fight back.
All right, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take.
Come on. One more time.
Wipe that smile off your face.
Oh,
Get out of
take it in a nut shot, buddy. I will
like
break
that?
your leg next time, you cocky little motherfucker. Are they not gonna attack me? What is this? You, attack me away. Oh, shit. 2 seconds. Come on.
Dog eyes.
Dog guys, get that asshole out of here. I need you.
Hey! 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊？
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, Dog Eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We
I like
can
his hat.
Share the night market, huh?
Even though
We're
he's
both
kind of
Song
looking
Hong
gay
Yin,
right now.
Both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
This way. You remember Mimi Shen? Back
Yo,
when you
I
first
looked,
started
I
giving
got
girls
fucked
a big smile?
really fast.
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Way's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, Dog Eyes.
I
You got
cannot
Siwa in the
wait
warehouse.
to kick
That
his
was
ass.
the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister to give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
I cannot wait.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he is. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
I got this. I got this, boy. Brother Wilson. Winston. Wilson. Such. I can't believe I went a milking right there.
No problem.
Hey, what's up? Oh shit, did you see this girl? Automatically saw walking. Oh, you're kinda old, sorry. Oh. Hey, you wanna bend over again? Hey. Oh, sorry. Get the fuck out of my way. Yo, we got some whores here. Look at that, way over there.
You mentioned your sister back there.
Oh, hey, I wanna be in the picture.
Yes,
Hey, what's
yeah.
up? Hey.
Years ago now.
Hey.
After we moved to the States,
What's
you tried
up?
to kick that shit butt.
What the fuck are you doing? What the hell? Did you see that?
Sucks. She was, you know, really
Hey,
alive.
how you doing?
Mother thought
Where you
maybe a
going?
new city, new country.
Oh, sorry.
These weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop.
It's always hard to stop.
Yeah, once you started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
No.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the
Sorry,
boss,
lady.
But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Hey, that's what I came here for. Right there.
Let's go. Man, we walk so slow. Can I run, please?
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Oh, alright. Hey, get the fuck out of my way, you little asshole.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Hell yeah, man. You better give me my money.
You need anything?
Oh,
Just
yes.
come ask.
Now I'm running. Get out of my way.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off.
I got this. Get the fuck out of my way. Hey, what's up, buddy?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
I don't think so, asshole.
What? You want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Who's it? Oh,
Be a
come here,
tough
boy.
guy.
What? Get the fuck out of my face.
Okay, I will pay.
Wanna pay me now?
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. The Dog Eye won't be happy.
I don't care. I'm the fucking boss here. That's my parents. They're always doing something stupid here. Hey, give me my money.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone
Oh,
has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey,
a
fellas,
back choy up
these
his
troops are
ass.
moving in on your territory. Come on, guys, kick his ass.
Oh! Got lucky, you little asshole. Bam! Fuck off! Oh. There we go.
Oh man, this isn't good.
Why am I getting fucked? Ugh. Alright, so you want to pay me now, or do you want me to kick your ass also?
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
Thank you, little bitch. Oh.
Done, but let's check over
Can I teabag you? Please? Whatever.
look like you can use a
Ah!
Look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Oh, I got this.
你有冇攞籌啊？
Yo, man. I'll beat up people. Oh, you son of a bitch. Wanna try it again? Oh, come on. There you go. Oh! Take it! And the gate!
Go tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Hell yeah! I pay my ass.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Hell yeah, man! Oh, what the fuck? You see that guy?
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over
Time
here.
to get me outfitted, boy.
No, you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best friends. Look like you gotta know you're successful.
I'm out. Really? Okay. Hey, what's up? I like this shirt.
Come again.
Pants.
Let me ring that up for you. Fits you perfectly.
Fucking Adidas.
Excellent.
Pretty much. Oh, hell no. Alright.
Thanks. Shop often.
Get back to Winston.
So let's get back to Winston, boy. Oh, okay, you see that? Right there? You see this? It's a health shrine. I'm not gonna use it. Because, oh, see that? That's also something that I will not get. Not right now, at least. What? Okay, I understood that. I pressed X and it
Smells
did not
awesome,
kill.
Man, all this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie.
Hey, what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
You don't want.
What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up.
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you, don't fuck with me.
No, you don't fuck with me. Come on, man. Why you be like this? Don't play like that game. Woo! Hey, what's up? Okay. Fire Edge is always so much easier. Gain favors by doing favors for people. I mean, gain face. Wow, gain face. There's a lot of side quests, and this is like an option to do, but you have to do it before doing anything else.
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Before continuing the
Sister
storyline.
sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
I got you.
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard Dog Eyes are sending reinforcements. They should probably be gone before they get here.
Psh. Dog Eye be careful about me. Move out of my way. What? How do I get over there? Here we go.
Is the new guy around?
I don't know where he is. No, fuck it, let's go. Get out of my way. Ooh, you almost got my ass. Oh, the spirit. Let's go! The spear dragon! I'm gonna go crazy! Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, I am so bad at countering right now. BAM! Come here. You see that telephone pole? Right in it! Get in there! Little bitch. Fuck with me. Little ass. What's up with this? Hey, what's up? Here to deliver. What's happening?
This is for Susan's lunch.
Oh, okay. Hey, no problem. No problem. That's how I do it. So, what are you doing afterwards? Playing hard to get, eh? I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. It's cool. We'll play hard to get later.
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Oh shit.
Are you crazy? No, don't. Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
God damn.
好傷害我啊
Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it! Let's go! Let's go!
Great. Move it, let me. I got this. Oh, I ran into a box.
Do you see anyone? I think they're after Wu, you crazy fuck!
Oh,
Hurry up! Oh shit!
yeah, on my way, buddy.
Stay with me!
Woo! God damn, come on. Come on, Red. I think that's his name. Shit, I don't even remember. Go away. Oh, that's wings of fish. I'm sorry. Asian market. Oh! I literally didn't mean to do that, but, you know. That's how you do it, right? Woo! Oh shit. See, this is why, you know, I got English. I know what he's saying.
清楚。OK，各單位準備。
I understood him. He said okay.
你捉個威聲先好啊！
Wait, Shan.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。
I totally got this, you guys.
喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變。
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢
Oh
又上到嚟
shit.
啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
That's not supposed to happen.
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點。
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is I'm Mr. Sang, and I am here doing some sleeping dogs, as I promised. I'm gonna push that start button right now, you know. And, yeah, let's do this. Oh, this is my first time, thank you very much. Okay. Subtitles. Yeah, Cantonese. I want to not be able to see it. Music. We'll bring it down a little. Bring it down a little. Dialogue to the max. And let's do this. No, we're good. We are good. So I have the entire as of right now the 2 DLCs, but I'm gonna do the main story right now, just for everyone. Oh, sorry. Let's start the game. Starting a new game will overplay your Sleeping Dogs main story autosave. Yeah, I don't even have it. Didn't I see like I just started? So let's do this. So I'm planning to do an Asian week, Asian month, and of course I'm starting with the Sleeping Dogs because it came out for the PS3. Holy shit!
收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？